Sore throat hurting? Saltwater gargle kills germs and reduces swelling. Half teaspoon in warm water 3 times daily. Simple relief. Or like gravage weight that du talent, bringing back feeling stressed or anxious. Try 4-7 breathing. Inhale 4. Hold 8. It activates your calm response. Works in seconds. Headache starting? First, drink water and gently stretch your neck. 80% of headaches improve. Save pills for when you really need them. Want stronger immunity? Sleep minimum 7 hours nightly. It's your body gets off that skiing. T-cells and antibodies not charge while you rest. Want naturally glowing skin? Eat antioxidant-rich foods daily. Berries lead the pack. They fight damage, support collagen, and boost radiance from within. Screen neck pain? Chin tuck hourly. Gently pull chin back without tilting. It realigns your cervical spine and saves your neck. Post-meal energy crash? Walk for just 10 minutes after eating. It stabilizes blood sugar and keeps you alert. No more food coma. Arbeitgeber Flenbiglingate. Irutu Falvbalan du will for credit. Bloating after eating? Chew have 20 to 30 times. It starts digestion, boosts enzymes, and reduces gas. Simple fix. Eye strain from screens? Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It relaxes eye muscles and prevents digital strain. Want strong bones? Get 15 minutes of sunlight daily for vitamin D. It helps absorb calcium and keeps your skeleton healthy. It helps absorb calcium and keeps your skeleton healthy. Protect your heart naturally? Eat omega-3 rich fish twice a week. It fights inflammation and supports healthy rhythm. Simple cardio protection. Struggling with hunger on a diet? Eat protein first at every meal. It triggers fullness hormones and keeps you satisfied longer. Want better mood and sleep? Write 3 gratitudes every night. It boosts serotonin naturally and rewires your brain for positivity. Replace you watched walkulate for the hefstalopretator for a litigrans in a day. Joint pain or inflammation? Turmeric with black pepper works. Pepper boosts absorption 2000%. Natural pain inflammatory that 2000%. Natural anti-inflammatory, it really helps. Most people breathe shallow, using only 30% of lungs. Belly should rise. Breathe deep with your diaphragm. Maximum oxygen, less stress. Want sharper memory? Blueberries are proven brain food. They protect neurons and boost connections. Just a handful daily works wonders. Just a handful daily works wonders. Flying and worried about germs? Zinc lozenges kill viruses on contact in your throat. Start before your flight for best protection. Muscle cramps hitting you? Grab a banana for instant potassium. It restores electrolyte balance and stops cramps fast. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Bananas are your natural cramp relief. Feeling nauseous? Ginger tea is a natural antiemetic that really works. Sip slowly and let it calm your stomach naturally. Dehydrated, calm your stomach naturally. Sunburn hurting? Cold compress first to reduce heat, then pure aloe vera. It soothes inflammation and speeds healing naturally. Feeling bloated after eating? Chew a teaspoon of fennel seeds. They release trapped gas naturally, ancient remedy that actually works. Struggling to focus? Just 5 minutes of meditation daily tamed the monk mind. It strengthens your attention muscle in temos de bitaramige. It strengthens your attention muscle and boosts productivity. Thinning hair worrying you? Scalp massage with oil boosts circulation to follicles. Just 5 minutes daily can improve hair growth naturally. Letter to Lusingame. Want a longer, healthier life? 10,000 steps daily is your foundation. It protects your heart, metabolism, mood, and adds years to life.